Focus on genuine component guarantee. Target business owners suffered from counterfeit parts. PCBA OM and ODM business owners, have you ever faced such troubles? The circuit boards pass all tests after assembly. Yet massive devices crash after 3 months of overseas operation. Upon inspection, you find main control chips are refurbished and capacitors are counterfeit. SMT factories only take charge of processing, refusing to bear losses, leaving you to cover all damages alone. Shenzhen Newei Industrial strictly rejects dubious components. We own an 8,500 square meter factory with thousands of staff. All components are sourced directly from original manufacturers and authorized first-tier agents, with traceable batch codes for every part. All BOM data is recorded in the MI system. You can check component usage and board matching records anytime. We never adopt low-quality, suspicious bargain parts. Cost savings are achieved via panel optimization and technological improvement, rather than sacrificing quality with counterfeit goods. If you have losses caused by fake components, leave genuine in the comments section. I will send you our supplier list and incoming material inspection procedures for your reference before cooperation.